Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a couple things that you can do in Canva, such as creating a mockup as well as resizing your elements, among other things. So if you'd like to see that, guys, continue watching this video. You won't see me in today's video, you'll just hear me, so stick around for that.
Hey guys, welcome back. So here we are in Canva, and the first thing I'm going to be showing you is how you can resize your elements. So for that, I need a template to work with. So I am going to go here to the search box and type in Instagram post. So here we have quite a few different Instagram templates, guys, but I'm going to work with this blank template. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add a photo to this template. This is one I used earlier on, so I'm just going to select it. Next, I am just going to press T on my keyboard to add a bit of text. I'm now just going to go ahead and change the font style. Now say you want to change this Instagram post to a Facebook post, guys. What you'll do is to ensure that your design here is highlighted, and you'll head up to this icon that says Resize. Now in this section, you want to go ahead and type in Facebook post if it's not popping up. Next, you'll select it. So here you have two options, guys. If you want to immediately change out this Instagram post to a Facebook post, then you just go ahead and select Resize, and this post right here, this template will be changed to a Facebook post. However, if you want to have a copy of the Facebook post as well as your Instagram post here, what you'll want to do is to go ahead and select copy and resize. So by doing so, guys, you do have your Instagram post template here, as well as your Facebook post template with the same image and word. Now so that's basically it, guys, in terms of resizing your elements. Now say you want to change this to a video. What you'll do is to simply head up to Resize, and in the search bar you'll type in video and select it, then copy and resize. So here, guys, you can see it's in video format, and to check the size of it, you can just always highlight your design and then head to Resize, and you'll see the size here. So as you can see, guys, it's 1920 by 1080. So basically you can resize your elements, guys, to fit any one of your social media pages. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to now look at, guys, and for that I'm returning to the Facebook post. So what we're going to look at right now is how you can animate your elements and text. So right here I have the image of this flower and my text, and I want this animated. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is to head up here to this icon that says Animate. I am going to select it, and then I'll just browse through the different animation styles that are here and select the one that I want. So for this, I'm selecting this animation style that says photo zoom. Let me play it so that you can see what it's looking like. So that's it. As I said, guys, you can go ahead and browse through and select the one that will work for you. Now, guys, I am going to show you how you can create a mockup here in Canva. Now, to do this mockup, first I'm going to just quickly remove this word because I don't want it to show up in it. Next, I'm just going to resize this flower a bit by just dragging the edges so that it gets a bit smaller. Then I am going to just center it, and it's centered, guys, when we see those pink lines forming, intersecting like that. Next, I am heading over to effects. This is where we'll find the mockups, guys. So you'll head down to this section that says smart mockups. Now there are different styles of mockups in here, guys, so let me show you them before I show you how to do this mockup here. So you have smartphones, computers, cards, frames and posters, books, clothing, and lastly mugs. For this mockup in particular, I am going to use this frame here. So I'm just going to select it. Once it's applied, I will then select OK. Now that that's done, guys, I am now just going to go ahead and drag the edges here of my design to resize it as best as I can. Alright, so that is it, guys. Feel free to ask any questions that you may have in the comment section below. Also, if you're finding this video useful thus far, leave a like so I can know that you do. Alright, so that's it for the mockups, guys. The next thing that we're looking at is how you can remove background image. So for that, I'm just going to add a new page down here, and I'm going to head over to photos. There's a photo that I used earlier on, so I'm just going to select it. This is the photo. Oh, but I don't want it to show up like this, guys. I want it to cover the entire page, so let me delete this by selecting the trash icon up in the top. So I'm just going to drag it over until it's showing up fully on the page as you're seeing here. Now to remove the background of your image, guys, of the image shown here, what I'm going to do is to just highlight it. To remove the background of this image, guys, I'm highlighting it by simply clicking on it. Then I'm heading up to effects. In effects, I will select background remover and wait for it to do its work. It's magic. So as you can see here, guys, the background has been fully removed. I'm just going to select the word apply here. And yes, the background is fully removed. As you see, we have no traces of the background that was there before. So this is good. Right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, again, leave a like below so I can know that you did. So also, guys, check out this video that's showing up on screen. In this video, guys, I show you over 15 different elements that you can access here in Canva, and the different keywords that you would type in to get access to those elements. So click on it and watch it and share your thoughts over on that video with me.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found today's video useful. If you did, leave a like below. Also, don't forget to check out that video that I showed you at the end here that you can check out for different elements that you can access here in Canva. Until my next video, guys, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.